Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to remove BMW Emblem. Heat the emblem with a hair dryer or heat gun until adhesive softens, slide dental floss behind edge to saw through adhesive, and remove slowly. Use adhesive remover on remaining residue and a soft cloth to wipe clean. If paint lifts, stop and use a plastic pry tool or seek professional help. Take your time and keep the surface cool between tries. Gathering the right tools makes the job smooth and safer. Use a hair dryer or heat gun to soften adhesive, dental floss or fishing line to cut behind the emblem, and a plastic pry tool if needed. Have automotive adhesive remover and a microfiber cloth ready to clean residue. Work slowly and reheat if it resists, and always protect surrounding paint with painter's tape before applying pressure or solvent. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and get more updated tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Try Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort and durability, perfect for long detailing sessions when you need cozy feet. I've linked the socks and any deals in the description below, so check them out now. Now let's get back to the video. Start by heating one area of the emblem for 60 to 90 seconds to soften adhesive evenly. Feed dental floss behind the emblem and use a sawing motion while gently pulling outward to separate adhesive. Once removed, apply adhesive remover on a microfiber cloth to dissolve residue and wipe clean. Finish by polishing the area lightly and inspecting for paint lift. If you notice damage, pause and consider professional repair options to avoid worsening the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.